Welcome to this YouTube video where we'll be discussing two different methods of studying, visualization and auditory. Both of these methods are widely used by students to improve their learning and retention abilities. In this video, we'll explain what each method is, how it works, and the benefits of using them. So let's get started. Visualization method. The visualization method is a popular learning technique that involves creating mental images of information. In other words, when you're trying to learn something, you visualize it in your mind. This technique is particularly useful for subjects like history, geography, and science, where visual aids like maps, diagrams, and charts are used to explain complex concepts. One of the main benefits of using the visualization method is that it helps you remember information for a longer period. This is because the brain is better at recalling images than text or spoken words. Additionally, this method can also help you understand information more deeply by giving you a better sense of context. To use the visualization method, start by reading or listening to the information you want to learn. Then, try to create a mental image of the information in your mind. This could involve picturing a historical event or visualizing a scientific concept. The key is to make the image as detailed as possible. Finally, try to recall the mental image you created later to reinforce your memory. Auditory method. The auditory method of learning involves listening to information rather than reading or visualizing it. This technique is particularly useful for subjects like language learning or music where listening skills are crucial. One of the main benefits of using the auditory method is that it can improve your listening skills. Additionally, listening to information can help you understand and remember information more effectively. This is because hearing information spoken out loud can help you connect with the content on a more personal level. To use the auditory method, start by finding an audio resource that covers the information you want to learn. This could be a podcast, a lecture recording, or even a study partner reading out notes. Next, listen to the audio resource and try to focus on the content. If possible, take notes to reinforce your memory. Finally, try to recall the information you learned later by listening to the audio resource again or trying to explain the information to someone else. And completed. Both the visualization and auditory methods of learning have their own unique benefits. It's up to you to decide which method works best for you depending on the subject you're studying and your own personal learning style. However, it's important to remember that combining different learning methods can be even more effective. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you.